In this video, we will learn how to fix Atlassian Cloud Push Group error while trying to get the group with the external ID. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications, then Applications, and search for Atlassian Cloud. Under the Provisioning tab, then Integration, and click Edit. Go to the Atlassian admin console, and under the Okta API key, copy the directory base URL and paste it in the base URL section on the Okta admin console. Go back to your Atlassian admin console, copy the API key, paste it in the API token section on the Okta admin console, and click Test API Credentials. This will show Atlassian Cloud has verified successfully, and click Save to save your changes. Under Push Groups, click Error and activate Push Group. Now you can see the push group is active, and that is how to fix Atlassian Cloud Push Group error while trying to get the group with the external ID. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.